A new study identifies risk factors associated with severe cases of COVID-19 in kids. Researchers analyzed data from 20,000 children in 45 hospitals across the country, and they looked at the number of children who required hospitalization for COVID symptoms and what risk factors were most common among the most severe cases. They found children who have pre-existing conditions and kids who are older are more likely to develop more serious coronavirus symptoms. For the second year in a row, COVID policy will be front and center in the state capitol. Bills are already rolling in ahead of the 2022 session. As Jake Stofan tells us, some are more controversial than others.
Of the COVID bills already filed, 2 are likely to garner bipartisan support. The first would make it easier for first responders to receive workers' comp if they get COVID on the job.
These are folks who didn't have the luxury of working from home.
The second, filed by Representative Artie Nzika, would require insurers to cover the full price of at-home COVID tests.
I think this is a first step in the right direction.
Representative Anthony Sabatini has filed legislation that would ban government mask mandates and prohibit all employers, private and public, from imposing vaccine mandates.
Allow all people to make their own mask and vaccine decisions. I think that's just common sense.
Well, the governor has expressed support for banning vaccine mandates for public sector employees. He hasn't been as vocal about mandates in the private sector. Democrats argue local governments should make the public health decisions in their communities.
There are certain instances where there needs to be state preemption. When it comes to keeping their community safe, that's just not one.
House Pandemics and Public Emergencies Chair Daniel Perez says it's too early to predict how far lawmakers will go on vaccine mandate prohibitions, but
making sure each individual has an opportunity to make their own decision is something that we will continue to do.
There's also a bill that would limit when governments can order religious institutions to close in a lockdown, but since it doesn't ban church closures outright, it may face opposition from both parties. Reporting from the state capitol, Jake Stofan, Channel 4, the local station.
Reporter Jake Stofan also reached out to the governor's office, and he asked whether DeSantis would support barring private sector employers from mandating vaccinations for their employees, but did not hear back in time for this story.